Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about KASPA. I'm sure you guys know what has been happening across the market. KASPA is down a staggering 30% over the past 24 hours right now. We are seeing a massive bloodbath across the board. And if you have been watching the channel over the course of the last few days, you've been watching the market analysis videos, you know that we've been having this discussion on the channel. And this right here, guys, this move that we're seeing right now going into Monday morning, as there is more uncertainty than ever, going into Monday morning, a lot of people are uncertain, as to what's going to happen with the stock market, because we did see Japan's stock market see a massive crash, which again is causing even more, fear across the board for the crypto space. And you can see this for yourself, guys. KASPA is down 30% right now, and Bitcoin has gone below $50,000 just as we're recording this update. Obviously, it has seen a little bit of a minor bounce, but we did see Bitcoin fall down to $49,144. Guys, this right here is a massive drop that we're seeing right now within the crypto space. Well, let's take a closer look and see what is happening with KASPA. What are some targets we could be aiming for? And again, I know this is a very scary time right now within the crypto space. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, I want you guys to take a look at one thing. Where is Bitcoin? I want to take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down 17.5%. And, you're seeing the dominance index skyrocketing, something that we've been discussing on this channel over the course of the last few days. But you can see majority of the coins right now are actually down way more compared to what Bitcoin is down. And you could see how much of an impact this really has had on altcoins. If you're looking even on the weekly time frame right now, guys, some coins are actually down 50 to 60%, which a lot of people did not expect. But this is why we take a look at Bitcoin. This is why we take a look at dominance index. This is why we take a look at what's happening with the broader market and what kind of impact this could be having. But let's take a further look and see what is happening. The price is at 13.07 cents. It's down 27.4% in USD comparative, also down 6.8% in Bitcoin comparative. Market valuation $3.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $215.2 million. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the dominance index, I'm sure if you guys have been following the channel and watching the day-to-day analysis, you know what's happening. 57.3% in terms of the dominance index actually made its way up to a new yearly high. Of course, a lot of market uncertainty, and it does not help, especially when the dominance goes up and Bitcoin drops like it has. That does not help at all. But this right here, guys, is one of the most golden opportunities to be accumulating crypto if you have done your due diligence research. Because the reason why I say that is because we're seeing a 70 to 80% drop in a lot of altcoins right now across the board. And again, if you watch my video literally yesterday, we were spot on. I was literally spot on about the targets that we could be aiming for. And we did see that happening for the crypto markets. Because let's face it, the uncertainty, the fear right now that the crypto market has is insane. Because we remember what happened in 2020, and a lot of people have a bad taste of what happened back then, and the fear is still there. And now as we hear about news coming out about the Japan stock market seeing a massive pullback, again, this is going to even put more of a pressure in terms of sell pressure on the stock market here, the biggest stock market. So we're going to see what happens. Like I said, tomorrow morning, very important. But leading up to that, you're seeing the price of Bitcoin actually getting completely taken over by the bears right now. We saw Bitcoin falling down to $49,144. This by no means is a small move. And now if you're looking at KASPA, you guys remember we spoke about some of these things, and again, if you do follow my channel on a regular basis, you know what's happening. But KASPA right now, this again is the weekly time frame. Believe it or not, you're still seeing KASPA in an upwards trajectory, even though we're seeing such a massive bloodbath. KASPA is still in an upward trajectory if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, but the price of KASPA has gone below the 13.5 cents mark, and it actually retested 12.5 cents just literally 2 to 3 minutes ago. So let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame to really understand what is happening with KASPA. And I really want you guys to understand that this is why we take a look at Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. Even though KASPA has been showing tremendous amount of strength over the course of the last, I would say pretty much the last 1 month, it does not matter. Once Bitcoin sees these moves, no matter what happens, everything is going to react to it. So if you were on the sidelines and you were looking at KASPA actually reaching almost 21 cents, well, guess what? If you want to put this into perspective, literally just about 3 to 4 days back, you are seeing KASPA dropping a 40% drop over the course of the last 4 days alone. And this is why you want to lock those profits in. I continuously remind each and every one of you guys to lock these profits in, and I know some people kind of are regretting it. I've been reading the comments saying, Crypto ZX, we wish, we actually locked these profits in because, this massive bloodbath that we're seeing, we just wish that, we could have been picking it up now. This is why you want to lock those profits in, because, our brain tends to think that, no, this is it. It's not good to lock in profits. Let's just, let the thing ride to the moon. But no, that's not the case. This is why on this channel, I don't know about any other channel, I show you guys Bitcoin price every single day. So if you're looking at the price of KASPA right now, guys, of course, it's reacting to the market momentum. I personally believe that, we do see Bitcoin going a little lower. Bitcoin actually retested almost at 48,200 support, which I talked to you guys about just in my last market analysis video. And again, I know some people are going to come out and say, Crypto ZX, please teach us what kind of information. I don't know any information. It just requires, a little bit of research and, learning. And it is a long learning, journey. It's not over the course of the last, 1 week or just take 2 weeks to learn. It takes time. But sometimes, it just speaks to you. And it was speaking to me that, this is a realistic target at 48,000. And I think that is still a very realistic target that we could retest going into Monday morning. So, KASPA has seen a tremendous pullback. And again, some people are seeing this as a blessing in disguise, meaning, they're getting a 40% discount on KASPA literally in the last 4 days alone. And, that is obviously good for some people that believe in the KASPA's vision over the next, long term and, wanted to grab KASPA at a cheaper price. Well, the opportunity is literally right in front of you right now. I am going to be going shopping. I made a, quite a clear statement in my last update market analysis video that I'm going to be going shopping. I'm not going to be on the sidelines. I'm definitely going to be accumulating. Again, that's my own personal opinion. I have done my due diligence research and I know which coins I'm going to be investing in, and yeah, I'm going to be taking massive advantage of this move. It could go lower. Market could go even lower. We don't know what's going to happen to the stock market. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting. As I've said, we're going to see what happens. Obviously, if something bullish comes out, then crypto market will rebound. But with that said, be prepared if Bitcoin were to drop even lower. Would not come as a surprise to me. As of now, everything I've said about Bitcoin's price specifically has played out. And again, I'm sure you guys know that if you do follow the regular updates. But obviously we do want the price to hold above this range. If it's not able to obviously hold around here, we do have a potential retest possibly down to the 11.7 cents, and I'm going to be quite realistic with you on that. With the uncertainty right now, with the dominance picking up, 11.7 cents is another 15% drop. So, that wouldn't really be a massive shocker. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are you doing right now? Are you picking up some KASPA? Are you just on the sidelines? What is your overall thinking regarding this Bitcoin move? I want to know from you guys. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.